Yeah, I would say proudness, something that I always dreamed about to achieve something with my national team, especially also when I see my kids that they live this, something that I will never forget. That little boy is still, I think, too young with 3 years, but I think this image maybe will stay in his mind. Like I had an image when I was maybe 3, 4. I had something from the war about Bosnia, Croatia, about this war, just one image, and I think and hope so he will remember this one.
It's not a bad image, sir.
Yeah, it's one of the best images. Yeah. Myself in Germany, in Munich, and doing my homework. When I look also this table where I've been writing, I had this table, we took it back to Croatia when we came back. I wrote down underneath, I said it many times, that one day I will be one of the best footballer in whichever kind of sport, because I always believed in myself. And I think if we can find this table in Croatia, it's still there in this town, I can prove it to you, and I wrote the date also, so it's quite interesting. When we speak about Steven Gerrard, like I said, he's one of the players that I always admired, and I had the opportunity to play with him. In this short time, I will say I learned a lot about him. I'm glad that he trusts me, so we are still in contact, and just a real leader, real captain. Yeah, more. I found this picture on Instagram. Yeah, me and Mo, we have a special relationship, I would say, because I think we came from similar backgrounds. Yeah, he had a tough life, I had a tough life, so a guy who understands me and I understand him, this is, I think, the perfect friendship, because, like I said, life wasn't easy for us, and we appreciate a lot of things. And he loves when I'm doing stupid things, or I would say funny things, so yeah. Definitely, that's more. His hair looks better than this one now. It's quite shorter, and I told him it looks horrible. I told him that. He knows that. Oh my goodness. What? Yeah, when I see now bird, I see typical, I would say, with these shoes from Holland. I know they are quite famous there. Still, I don't understand this styling, and maybe I will never understand. And yeah, I don't think he changed a lot, to be honest. Hair is still here, and he said, because we had an idea, if we win the Champions League, that we'll or cut our hairs off, or we will put them in a blonde or a different color. And he was the only one who didn't want to do anything, so we said to him, my friend, it doesn't go like that. If we are a team, we do it like a team all together. So yeah, we will try everything to go again to a final, just to make him again, I would say, to a little bit be again worried.